Let's look at factorising algebraic expressions with a common binomial factor. Recall, binomial has that prefix bi, which means 2, and nomial is essentially referring to numbers. So when we're thinking of a binomial, we're thinking of a sum that involves 2 terms or 2 numbers. So let's look at our sum down here, and what you'll notice is that both the x and the 5 are being multiplied by this binomial x plus 2. So I could factorize this expression to instead be x plus 2, because that's the common factor, and then put in the rest, x plus 5. So recall, we take our highest common factor out the front, and then we put in brackets after that what we'd be multiplying the highest common factor by to get to the original expression. Let's have a look at another example with steps. So here I have to factorize this expression on the right, and my steps say, underline the common binomial factor. Well, both x and negative 2 are being multiplied by the common binomial x minus 4. Now I create a new expression in factorized form where I put my binomial factor and then my other variables. My binomial factor was x minus 4, and my other variables are x and minus 2. Let's have a look at another example. Again, I'm going to underline my binomial factor. Both terms are being multiplied by x minus 2. And now I'm going to write it in factorized form. State my binomial factor, and then the other variables. So x and minus, and you'll notice here I just have a minus. I don't actually have anything next to this bracket here, but I can't just write x minus blank. So we know that really secretly there's a 1 that sits at the front there. So I'm just going to put 1.